Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. So, without delay, let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town, there lived a young boy named Nishu. Nishu was a kind hearted boy, but he had one big problem. He absolutely hated studying. His parents always told him, Nishu, please study. Education is the most important thing in life. But Nishu would just shrug his shoulders. He did not care about books or exams. Instead, Nishu loved to be close to nature. He spent all his time watching birds, trees, and insects. Because he spent so much time with nature and loved animals so deeply, something magical happened. Nishu was able to understand the language of animals. He could hear what they were saying and understand their feelings. Nishu lived in a very big old house, and inside this house, a dark and clever secret was hidden, which only Nishu could see and understand. In Nishu's house, there lived a very clever and cunning cat. This cat did not like to chase mice and hard way. He wanted a luxurious life without doing any hard work. So the cat came up with a wicked plan. Right in front of the hole where a big family of innocent mice lived, the cat placed a small, smooth treadmill. Right above the treadmill, the cat placed a big, shiny signboard. On the board, it was written in bold letters, Come out of your comfort zone. Work hard every day and night to get success. The mice were very innocent and simple minded. When they came out of their holes and read the board, they thought, oh wow, this is a great message. We must work hard to become successful mice. One by one, the innocent mice stepped on to the treadmill. They started running. They ran during the day and they ran during the night. But because it was a treadmill, they were running and running, but they were going nowhere. The cunning cat had connected the treadmill to a wire, and this wire went all the way to a comfortable little cushion where the cat sat. The wire was connected to a small electric fan. As the innocent mice ran day and night, the treadmill generated electricity. This electricity made the fan move. The cat would sit lazily on this cushion, closing his eyes, enjoying the cool, fresh breeze of the fan. The mice ran continuously, getting weaker and losing their energy, and eventually losing their lives from extreme exhaustion. They were very much exhausted, and because of this exhaustion, they were dying. And the cat enjoyed the cool air, and whenever the mouse became too weak and fell off the treadmill, the cat would easily hunt them, kill them, and eat them. Nishu watched this whole story happening in his house. He felt deeply sorry for the innocent mice, but he did not know how to explain the trap to them because the mice believed the signboard blindly. They thought hard work alone was the key of success. The leader of the mice was an old wise mouse. He had realized that his family was dying, but he didn't understand why. So, with great difficulty, he had sent his young son away to a distant place to get a proper education. The son studied very sincerely, read many books, and learned how the world works. After some time, the educated son returned home. When he walked into the house, he saw a horrible sight. His brothers, sisters, and parents were running on a treadmill. My dear children, here the sun is my mouse only, okay? This complete story is about that family of mouses, okay? So he saw that his brothers, sisters, parents were running on treadmill, uh, uh, panting heavily, looking like skeletons, while the cat was sleeping under a cool breeze. The educated mouse immediately shouted, "Stop, everyone! Stop running right now." The tired mice stopped and said, "Why, son? We are working hard for success. The board says so." The educated son shook. Educated son, it means what? Educated mouse son, okay? Shook his head and said, "You are working very hard, but you are not thinking. You must see who is getting the benefit of your hard work. You are sweating and dying here, but the benefit is going to cat. You need to be wise before you work hard. Hard work without education and brain is just slavery." The educated mouse quickly took action. He used his knowledge of science and machine. He disconnected the wire that was sending electricity to the cat's fan. He redirected the wires and built a very big fan right inside the mouse community's living area.